Now let's fit the rooster single whip step into our sequence. We'll do the move that comes just before it. Fair Lady works at shuttles. And we'll come back with White Crane spreads wings and go into rooster single whip. Let's do traditional opening to get balance to begin with. Hands float up, sinking down. Shift right into ball holding cat stance for Fair Lady works at shuttles. Left foot heel step, left hand comes up and turns forward, right hand pushes. Arms swing down and back, plunge needle on the left. Left hand brushes knee, right hand plunges needle. Hands together in front of the body for cobra rises up, lift the left toes, turn the foot out. Come forward and form the ball on the left, right foot in cat. Fair Lady on the other side, heel step. Fair Lady. Arms swing down and back. Plunge needle. Cobra rises up, coming to ball holding cat stance on the right. For White Crane, 2 steps back. Diagonal step, knock the stick aside. Form the ball on the left. Now the second time, instead of forming the ball on the right, we knock the stick aside, the right hand sweeps down and we cross the wrists, we bring the left foot back to cat stance to begin a rooster single whip. Rooster step to the left. Shift left and cross wrists, right foot comes to cat. Left hand wrist punch, right foot side step. Right hand single whip karate chop. Close up to the left, cross the wrists, right foot comes into cat. Rooster to the right, lift the knee, step right. Shift right and cross wrist, left foot comes to cat. Right hand wrist punch, left foot side step. Left hand single whip karate chop. Close up to the right, cross the wrist, left foot comes to cat. And down to balanced position. Now let's take Fair Lady works at shuttles, 2 steps forward, White Crane, 2 steps back, then rooster and single whip to each side. Starting with ball holding cat stance on the right for Fair Lady works at shuttles. Heel step, left hand comes up and turns forward, right hand pushes. Arms swing down and back. Plunge needle on the left. Cobra rises up. Ball holding cat stance on the left. Right foot heel step, right hand comes up and turns forward, left hand pushes. Arms swing down and back. Plunge needle on the right. Cobra rises up. Ball holding cat stance on the right. For White Crane, 2 steps back. Diagonal step, knock the stick aside. Form the ball on the left. Second time, remember, we sweep the right hand down and cross wrists, left foot in cat. For rooster step to the left. Shift left and cross wrists. Left hand wrist punch, right foot side step. Right hand single whip, karate chop. Close up to the left. Rooster step to the right. Shift right and cross wrists. Right hand wrist punch, left foot side step. Left hand single whip karate chop. Close up to the right. And down to balanced position. Now let's do our complete sequence from the very beginning all the way through rooster single whip. Starting with traditional opening, hands float up, sinking down, ball holding cat stance on the right, brush knee and push, left hand turns down, the body turns slightly to the left, heel step, brush knee and push. Same thing on the other side. Form the ball on the right for White Crane, 2 steps back. Form the ball on the right for our parting horse's mane sequence. Deer stance salute playing for monkey hands. Cross wrists, deer stance. Rooster, heel step, box ears, balance on the toe. Rooster. Heel step loop plank, form fists and box ears. Grasp collar and pull down. Plunge needle. Cobra. And the same thing on the other side. Once again, deer stance loop playing for monkey hands. Ball holding on the right. Fair lady works at shuttles. Ball holding cat stance on the right for white crane, 2 steps back. Remember, the second time we sweep the right hand down and cross wrists. Left foot in cat for rooster single whip, rooster step to the left. Single whip with a left hand wrist punch. Close up to the left. Repeat on the other side. Rooster to the right. Single whip with a right hand wrist punch. Close up to the right. Back into cat stance. And down to balanced position. Very good.